tongue blocking and self-accompaniment. What is tongue blocking and why it is used? Friends, in my previous video, we have seen what is puckering and how we get a single clear note by using that technique. Here, we will see how to get a single clear note by using the tongue blocking technique and how to play self-accompaniment using this technique. So to start with it, place the harmonica in the mouth in such a way that apart from the required chamber, you have one or two extra chambers at your left in the mouth. Now, obviously, you will be blowing or drawing through more than one chamber and hence you will play multiple notes. Now, cover the extra chambers at your left by covering them with the tip of your tongue. This way, you will again get a single clear note. Now start playing the sargam ascending and descending, keeping the same position of the mouth. Practice it for a few days till you get the hang of it. In the beginning, you will find it a bit difficult, but soon you will be able to do it. Now, we will learn the second step, which is very interesting. Keeping the described mouth position, blow the note and leave the tip of your tongue for a fraction of a second and restore its position on the harmonica. When you leave the tip of the tongue, you will get multiple notes, and when you replace it, you will again get a single clear note. In fact, this way you are accompanying the melody note by a chord, whether complete or incomplete. This way you can slap the tongue to create a suitable rhythm pattern. This technique makes this instrument a very unique instrument. Now let us do some practical on this technique. Friends, this is the mouthpiece of your harmonica. In tongue blocking technique, you have to place the harmonica in your mouth in such a way that you have multiple chambers in your mouth. That means other than the required note or other than the melody note, you should have one or two extra chambers in your mouth at your left. So this way, if you blow through the harmonica or draw through the harmonica, you will be getting multiple note sound. So what you have to do is block those extra chambers with your tip of tongue this way. After blocking those extra chambers by the tongue, you will be getting a single note again. So this way you can slap the tongue to get a suitable rhythm pattern. Now let us see it on the actual harmonica, how the things happen. You have to place your tip of the tongue to block the extra multiple chambers on in the harmonica. So when you are blowing or drawing through multiple chambers, you will get this kind of sound. See, there are multiple notes, and when I block the extra chambers with the tip of my tongue, you will get a single clear note. So keeping this position of the mouth, try to play the sargam ascending and descending this way. we'll see how to create a suitable pattern, a suitable rhythm pattern for a song. So friends, you can create different rhythm patterns like this, which will suit the melody that you are playing. But please remember, when you are playing along with a orchestra or on a background track, then please don't use this technique, as on the harmonica we are playing a very limited chords, whereas the orchestra or the background track will be playing a different chord progression, which will be in details. So the chords that we are playing will not match with the orchestra or the background track, and hence it will not sound good. So please take care while using this technique. But when you are playing absolute solo along with only some rhythm instrument, then you can use this technique freely.